The creator economy is sitting at 250 billion US dollars, and it is said that by 2027 it's going to double. That is to $500 billion. Now, what does that mean? It means the pie for you to be able to make a lot of money actually rests with you. It rests with your creativity, it rests with your dreams, it rests with your goals, it rests also with your consistency in the platforms that you have chosen to become a businesswoman or a businessman. I'm talking content creation. Now, if you listen to Forbes as well as Goldman Sachs, they are talking about how the creator economy is reshaping how people build wealth. It's no longer how it used to be, where you get a little loan from a bank, you start a small little business in the hopes that it grows, and then subsequently, sometime 3-4 decades later, you are a wealthy person. These days, to become rich, it doesn't take a lot. As a matter of fact, it only takes you to have your smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you are in business. The only thing maybe that you may have an issue with is how to connect into the internet, because not everybody can afford data, not everybody can afford Wi-Fi, but there are alternatives that I always give in these videos, where I say, if you live by an airport or close by an airport, you can go there and upload videos. I think the Wi-Fi there gives you about 4 hours to do anything and everything that you need to kickstart your business. Or you can get a family member who is employed with predictable income. You sit them down and you pitch your plan. Like, listen, I do not want to always come to you to borrow money. I have an idea of becoming a content creator, and only thing that I ask of you is to sponsor me with just 1 gig of data. Now, if you look at some options on different networks, you will have Vodacom, which has a 2 gig for 30 days for just 49 Rand 99. I mean, with 2 gigs, that's in fact a lot of videos that you can upload, especially if you are uploading twice a month or maybe 4 times a month, like twice a week. You have like what, 8 videos that you can post out of the 2 gig. So it is all about you as a person who is probably going through some kind of financial challenges. You have no excuse in 2025 going forward why you should be broke, especially if you have a smartphone. Now, let's talk about content creators who are already in the game and they are already gaining traction. They are building communities and now getting recognized by brands. Even if you are not recognized by brands, I feel like this is something that you must always have in the back of your mind, that the moment I start posting videos on my channel, whether that is lifestyle vlogs or is education on inspirational videos, you automatically become a billboard. You and your YouTube channel or your TikTok page or your Instagram page, you automatically become a billboard. What do I mean? I mean, what is put on a billboard? Adverts, right? So you might have a brand one day coming to you and say, hey, we like what you do and we think it aligns with our products or services and would like to collaborate with you. And maybe it's going to be a paid brand or a paid campaign, as some call it that way. And I would say, yeah, take it. You must take it with both hands. However, here's the kicker. There are a lot of people who don't understand the creator economy. That also includes some content creators themselves, because I'm seeing more and more content creators losing confidence whenever they have to do a haul or another. I mean, last vlog, there was a haul. This vlog also has a haul. The next vlog, another haul. And some people might feel a little bit overwhelmed and don't understand the whole concept of content creation, that as a content creator, especially in the beauty space, in the lifestyle space, travel space, or even in the educational space, I will always have purchases that I am going to unbox. The reason being is because you are marketing yourself to advertisers. You are marketing yourselves to campaigns that are going to pay you and pay your bills and keep you going. Yes, I do agree that you should not make your page a commercial page where everything is about selling and promoting for your community to buy. I mean, there's got to be more content over what is there when it comes to commercialization of your content. I agree on that one. I mean, I think it will depend on each creator, which way they want to go. If you have a following that does not mind you doing unboxings and also promoting products and services, then you are good to go. But I want to talk about a content creator that is apologetic for always having to unbox in their videos or vlogs, or they have to show one campaign or another. You are at work. I don't know if you understand. You are at work. Who apologizes to wake up every morning going to the office? Yes, nobody. Nobody apologizes to go to work. So why are you apologizing as a creator in the creator space, which is worth $250 billion? Part of that $250 billion, you want it in your bank account, don't you? So why are you apologizing? I mean, you can look at yourself as a working girl or a working boy with your YouTube channel or TikTok or Instagram, but you're also a businessman or a businesswoman in this space. So don't apologize. If you feel like you want to apologize, rather educate your community about you as a creator, that I have to do things like this where I'm unboxing, where I am promoting something that I am using. I might not get paid for it. Why you are seeing me holding a product and you are seeing its brand name on my videos is because I am campaigning for brands. I am campaigning for to get paid, because many creators, when they make their money, the bulk of it is not with YouTube AdSense, the money that YouTube pays, because it is minuscule. The bigger chunk of creators' income comes from brands. So what do I mean? With Google AdSense, which is what pays YouTubers when they post the videos and their ads running along their videos, they can get paid somewhere around $200 to $500 versus a brand that comes and say, we'll pay you $3,000 for promoting this product for 30 seconds in your videos. Basically just mentioning the product or the service, and then you walk away with $3,000. Yes, there are a lot of content creators, that's how they make their money. So you do the math, which that you should be promoting more. Me coming here every single week, showing up with a vlog, and I am not unboxing and showing off my skills on sales, as well as my community that might appreciate these products and services. No, you're not going to do that. You are going to make sure that you come in front of your audience on a weekly basis and you are showcasing things that you've purchased, because it costs money to promote yourself to brands. It costs a lot of money to promote yourself to brands. That means you're going to have to spend more money than actually making money. But the end goal at the end of the day is that you will start getting a lot of inflow of brands coming to want to work with you. And that is why you will hear content creators speaking about a paid campaign they did last week, and a paid campaign they're busy working on, and the paid campaign they are going to be working on, a paid campaign. That's because their hard work is beginning to show up. And that is why it's important that you do educate your community so they understand that this is a job. Every time when you take up a camera, press the record button, you are at work. You are a businessman, you're a businesswoman, and the end result at the end is to earn money. Not from Google AdSense alone, but from brand deals and brand collaborations, etc., and so on. So I don't want you to apologize, and this video is about you stop apologizing for unboxing, for shopping, for promoting products and services that you are using with your own money at first, before they start seeing brand collaborations coming through where now you are making a lot of money. So don't apologize and just be at work. All right, because the creator economy is not apologetic. As I said, it is growing. By 2027, that's a year and a half from now, it'll be sitting at $500 billion, and you want a chunk of that $500 billion by not apologizing. All right, I just thought, let me come here and respond to this one because it is a DM. I feel guilty every time I unbox something. Don't feel guilty. Whether it's luxurious unboxing or just an ordinary unboxing, you are at work. That's where you are at. All that money that you are spending will come back 10 times fold in the future. If you are hearing thunder, it is thundering outside. So let me just wrap the video right here. If this video was of any value to you, I would highly appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up because it does encourage me to create more videos like this one. And leave a comment down below and let me know what is your guilt level when it comes to unboxing and showing your audience your purchases. You're a billboard and your channel is a billboard, as well as other social media platforms of yours are billboards. So you need to treat them as such, or, you know, ignore those that are complaining. They don't understand. I don't think they ever will. And that, I will leave it right here and I'll see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.